Ann Arbor, also known as A2, Tree Town, and A Squared, go blue, but it's also home to some of Michigan's most dangerous intersections. Crashes happen far too often at State Street and West Ellsworth Street, with 85 crashes reported in 2024 alone. Huron Parkway and Washington Avenue with 35 crashes and 15 injuries, and Packard Street and Platt Road. This is where Michigan auto law can really help. If you are looking for the best car accident lawyers in Ann Arbor, here is what you need to know. After a crash, start by exchanging information, taking photos, and getting medical attention if you're hurt. Then speak with an attorney before talking to any insurance company. Michigan's no-fault laws are complex, and insurance companies often try to limit what they should pay you. A specialized Ann Arbor car accident lawyer understands these laws and works to recover the full and fair compensation you deserve while helping protect you from denied or delayed claims. So do you need a lawyer after a car accident in Ann Arbor? The answer is probably yes. An experienced attorney can make a real difference for you. A skilled law firm handles everything, from the investigation to negotiation, so you can focus on healing. Call Michigan Auto Law today for a free consultation. There are no fees unless we win for you.